Hi, hello. How are you? How are you people doing? You are doing. Today I'm going to do my base makeup routine. So this is kind of sort of a tutorial for all the dummies out there who are just like me, who are very much new into makeup. Now I don't like cakey makeup, so I'm going to try to do this as flawless as possible. Disclaimer and an acceptance note for you that is makeup looks like makeup. All the flawless makeup that you see on TikTok or Instagram Reels, most of them are filtered. So makeup looks like makeup, will look like makeup, and I don't use any filter on these videos. So I have done my skincare routine and I have prepared my skin for makeup. How I do that? That's a total full-on video that I have done, which the link will be given down below. Please give it a watch if you want to know how to prep your skin day and night and also before makeup. I'm not going to talk too much. I hope like this video. Let's start.
So I'm gonna use for foundation Maybelline Fit Me. My shade is 238 and its name Rich Tan. Now you can apply it with a brush, with a sponge, or your old favorite fingers. I am very much comfortable with my fingers, so I'm gonna do it with my fingers.
Before doing that, I'll correct my beautiful under eyes with Seri Stick Blush, shade name Coral Coat. Now I'll start from cheek area because this is my problematic area.
For hairstyle today, I wanted to do this hairstyle, ponytail and this braid here. But because of my baby hairs, no matter what hairstyle I do, they never come looking as cool as I see on Instagram and stuff. Whatever. So for concealer, I'm using this Bonjour Paris stick. And you know that this one I you feel the hug. This is so far my favorite concealer. But again, you don't need to use a whole lot of it. Little bit. Just this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, and wherever you have blemishes, like here I have this weird pimple blemish, and you are good to go. And also you can use brush, you can use your fingers to blend it, but blend it well.
Don't forget to apply foundation on your neck, babies. Now I'm going to apply powder because Indian sun is here to make us melt like butter. I'm using Blue Heaven translucent powder. You can either use brush or powder puff. It's up to you.
No matter what product you are applying over your foundation, make sure do not rub it, do not scratch it. It will totally ruin your foundation. Just dab it or pat it. I have found it that this is the best way on layering products on your foundation. Otherwise, it creates problem. We have just made our skin flat. Now I'm going to color it back. I mean, that's the agenda of base makeup. You make your skin or make your face look totally flat and powdery and ghost-like, and then you paint it, you color it just like you want to.
I'm using this Mars contour cake. Every face is different, so contour placement is also different. But more or less start from where our ear starts and blend it down. Basically, target the hollows of your cheek.
Contouring your eyebrow is very much important. Like eyebrows totally give you the shape of your face. So please contour your eyebrows and eyebrows. For contouring your brows, all you need is a brow pencil, a spoolie brush, and a gel or soap, whatever. So I have already painted my brows slightly with this pencil. Now I'm going to brush them up like this and apply gel on it so that they sit tightly and doesn't go anywhere. Now I'm going to do my blush, my shadows, and lipstick. Yay!
So yeah, this is how I do my base routine. And if you like this video, if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And if you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And I appreciate you guys a lot. So far, I've got so many words of appreciation in all the platforms like Facebook, Instagram from you guys. My heart is fluttering. I mean, this love that you are giving me through your subscription or, compliments or, you know, constructive opinions about what I should and shouldn't do in my channel. This love, this is what keeps me going, and this YouTube channel is my life. So I want this channel to grow. So I will really appreciate if you guys like my videos, share this video with your friends. I make videos for people who I believe are afraid that, oh, makeup is such a tough thing to do. It is not. It's very simple. I make videos for dummies like me, and I want to give a special thanks to all my subscribers from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thank you for watching me and loving me so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.